Okay, today we're going to talk about how to put a header in for MLA formatting. Now, in most of your English classes, you're required to do MLA formatting, and you're required to have your last name and page number on every single page, which can be sometimes tricky, and I'm going to show you how to do that today in a Word document. So you go to the Insert page and you click on Insert. Well, you first open up a Word doc and then you go to the Insert page and then you go over to Header. And then you click on Header. So you click on Header instead of page number because the page number messes it up. So click Header and then scroll down, and then you're always going to select the Ion Light one. You're going to select it and then you'll write your last name and then highlight it and then change it to the Times Roman new font and the black, and then you're all good to go.